Okay, so if you get to the ck12.org site and it asks you to sign in, you go to the sign in and you want to sign in with Google. And choose your account. And then I'm hoping it'll take you right to the Tides lesson that I linked, because I linked it right from ck12.org. I will, if you look it up, if it doesn't come right to that lesson, it is the first lesson I believe that they have here. No, it's the second. I'm sorry. It's the one here with the sandcastle. So if that doesn't come up automatically, which it should, and it asks you to sign in, it's this lesson 9.5 Tides. Okay, did you ever build a sandcastle? So keep that in mind, but you do want to sign in with Google.